Welcome to Product Critique, and today we're diving into the best Klein Tools Flip Impact Socket Set 7-piece. If you're looking for a versatile, high-quality socket set to tackle your toughest jobs, then the Klein Tools 65619 necked Flip-10 metric impact socket set is definitely worth considering. This impact socket set is designed for both the professional and DIY enthusiast. Featuring a unique, multi-purpose adapter system, this set ensures you can take on a wide variety of tasks without switching between tools. The set includes deep well impact sockets and 5 color-coded flip sockets that cover 10 metric sizes ranging from 8 to 18 millimeters. With the color coding, you can quickly identify the right socket for your task, saving you time and effort when you're working. What sets this product apart is its compatibility with the Klein KNECT-M system. This specialized square drive adapter works seamlessly with Klein Tools pass-through socket wrench and any standard 3/8" square drive ratchet, giving you even more flexibility in your toolset. The unique flip socket design means you can reduce the number of tools needed by using the included shaft for the 3 smallest socket sizes, which range from 8 mm to 18 mm. The Klein Tools 65619 necked Flip-10 set is made with alloy steel, ensuring durability and longevity. The set is also designed for impact use, making it ideal for high-torque applications. Another great feature is the dual-drive nested adapters. These 1/4" hex flip socket shafts nest into the 3/8" square drive adapter, giving you even more convenience in the field. All of these tools come neatly packaged in the Modbox case, a compact and modular storage system that's stackable with other Klein Tools cases. The case makes organizing your set easy and keeps everything in place, so you're never hunting for the right tool. At the end of the day, the Klein Tools 65619 necked Flip-10 metric impact socket set offers unlimited driving potential with its robust and modular design. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, this set's combination of convenience, versatility, and durability makes it a must-have for anyone looking to improve their toolbox. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to check out this set if you want to elevate your socket game.